Have you ever wanted to support a content creator or support someone in general who actually promotes and gives good information online? I mean, all the time I scroll through and I see all these wazoos just talking about basically a bunch of word vomit. And it's like, what are you talking about? I mean, I don't even get how people are watching this video or how this video has like 100 billion views. This is the exact problem that Solcial is looking to solve and disrupt. Today in this KuCoin DigiDive, we're going to talk about Solcial and how it's going to impact the future of social media. So let's go and give you guys a TLDR on what is Solcial. So Solcial is basically a permissionless social network that's built on the Solana blockchain. It allows users to be rewarded fairly for their work, and it also promotes freedom of speech. So this allows users to interact with each other and not have to worry about, like, if I say this, what's going to happen? It's truly permissionless and it's free. So as you guys can see here, this is a quick overview of the website. They do openly market and advertise, own and monetize your content. It's censorship resistant because all of the people because the whole protocol is decentralized. There's not one exact owner. Any of the governance token holders are actually the owner of the protocol. The governance token is the SLCL token. I'll get into that later in the video. You can also earn money and it's fast and scalable. This is built on the Solana blockchain, so it's super quick. If you guys have not tried it, it's over 100,000 transactions per second. Solana is a very quick blockchain. Here's a quick TLDR as well. The best way to think of it is like a open source YouTube. Whereas normally on YouTube, if you wanted to support a channel, you would give like a donation. And YouTube normally gets a cut of that. However, with Solcial, this will allow everything that you donate go fully to the content creator. So there's no cuts, no middleman. It's literally peer-to-peer. So it gets rid of that middleman. They have some interesting backers too, like really good ones. Alameda Research, big guys. You got GBV, you got New Wave Capital, and Solana Ventures. These are some big names in the crypto industry. So overall, really the vision of this project is to create a social network that promotes freedom of speech and allows citizens to give their own opinions on things without having to have that, oh man, am I being censored? Oh, should I not say this? Just in the back of their head. Let's talk a little more about the SLCL token so you guys can get a grasp of what's going on with the SLCL token. So as you guys can see here, SLCL is the coin of the platform, the Solcial platform. It has several different utilities. The first is governance. Second, it's discounts on trading fees. Third, users will need the SLCL to buy the tokens of anyone. An example of how this would work. Say I have a channel on YouTube and I just want to launch my own token. Let's go ahead and call it KuCoin. So KuCoin is the coin that if you want to support my channel, you must buy the KuCoin. And all the proceeds, or if you're buying the KuCoin because I'm issuing it, those proceeds would go to me. And I would be happy. Thanks. But the SLCL token is the token that it's paired against. So in order to buy KuCoin, the only liquidity that will be able to be obtained from is from the SLCL token. So I need SLCL to buy KuCoin. So again, the three main utilities are as a governance token, discounts on trading fees, and you will need the SLCL token to buy any of the creators' tokens. Just so you guys can keep that in mind. There is only a maximum of 1 billion tokens. The market is trying to corner. That actually seems pretty nice. I mean, if you think about it, there's like 6.6 billion people in the world. Well, one person can't even have one token. So that's how you can keep that in mind. Now, it's great and all. You can support a creator. That's awesome. But what's in it for me? Like as the user, like I'm using this token. What's so special? Well, if you see a up-and-coming creator, you can actually be early and invest in them by buying their coin. And if they do really well, more people will purchase their coin. So as they grow, your token price grows. It's almost like a prediction market where you can place bets. So if you're bullish on a content creator and you want to place a bet on them, what you would be doing is saying, hey, I'm bullish on you, so I'm going to go ahead and buy a couple of your tokens and support you in the meantime. So who is this for? Well, this is for content creators. This is for users who are watching the content. It's also for influencers if they're just like, hey, buy this product, or hey, this is so cool, why don't you check this out? Or it's even for companies. So companies can use this as investing in up and coming influencers, content creators, etc., and getting a piece of the pie before they get big. Just imagine investing in PewDiePie before he got big. And even for artists. So say, for example, you make a bunch of art and you sell it online and people want to invest in you, but they can't buy your piece of art because you only have 10 of them. And all 10 of them are purchased up and there's no way to buy it, no liquidity. Well, you can buy this artist token. So those are a couple of different ways, and that's a quick overview of the Solcial token. So what are my thoughts on Solcial? Well, first, I think it's really interesting. They are looking to corner the market in a very niche market with social media. Now, time will tell. We'll see what happens if they're able to corner the market. Being that they're built on the Solana blockchain just makes it a lot faster and easier for growth. Now, as for the use case, it's a really interesting use case because now if you're really bullish on a content creator, artist, etc., now you can actually put your money where your mouth is. Again, the concept is great, but the market will have to say the same. Thanks for watching this KuCoin Digi Dive on Solcial. If you guys would like to get started trading, there's a link in the description below for 20% off trading fees. And if you guys would like to check out some of the previous videos, you got Up Only, ApeCoin, and Lemarin. Make sure you guys check out the KuCoin YouTube channel, and you guys will be able to stay up to date with what's going on KuCoin. Thanks for watching, guys.